Well, happy Tuesday to you. We're tracking some showers and storms out there this morning. Did you hear any thunder? Well, most of it has been in eastern Oklahoma, but it is moving towards the east. It's along a cold front. Let me show you what's happening out there. This is a live look on I-40. This is out towards Van Buren, Fort Smith, looking west. I was watching this because we actually had a couple of lightning strikes here and there this morning, but for the most part, these storms have been weak. There was one severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for northeast Oklahoma as this thing started moving across the state line. I'll show you what that looks like coming up on radar. First, what's causing all this? Well, it's a front. You can see the front lined up here from around Springfield back to the southwest. Showers and storms developing along the front. Some of the heavier storms, though, have been down to our south out there around Shreveport and northeast Texas. These showers and storms will continue tracking east as this whole front starts sweeping eastward and moves on out of the area. So what's happening right now? Take a look at the radar. You can see some showers and some storms, which are out there. I'm going to zoom out here and put this in motion so you guys can get a feel for what's going on across our region. Just an area of showers and storms in northeast Oklahoma. You can see that one severe thunderstorm warning that was on the storm earlier. That was just to the east of Muskogee, out there by 10 Killer. Stopping the radar and taking a closer look. We've got some thunderstorms moving in towards Natural Dam, out towards Cedarville this morning. This is tracking northeast. If we get any severe weather out of this, the main threat is going to be hail with some of the stronger storms, possibly approaching an inch or so. You can see that on the radar. Let's take a look and see how this thing is trending as we go through the next couple minutes. Yeah, it's actually trending up. See how the amount of colors of pixels there in the middle from the column of water that's in the air. So this actually is strengthening. It wouldn't be surprising to me if we did end up with at least one more severe thunderstorm warning out across Crawford County this morning as this tracks east from Natural Dam towards Cedarville and Mountainburg. You can see it lifting northeastward. We'll get some in Winslow. Guys, I don't think we're going to get much of anything in Bentonville, Rogers, Springdale, Fayetteville. We may see a shower or two, but the heavier risk of showers is a little farther south, particularly with that one that's moving across Crawford County right now. And then, oh, there it is. Look at that. Severe thunderstorm warning just issued on this thing. That's going to go until 5:30 a.m. The severe thunderstorm moving towards the east at 25 miles an hour, 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail. It's kind of what we were just saying. So this is tracking eastward. Again, severe thunderstorm warning on that. That's going to be issued for at least the next half hour or so. That severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Crawford County. That's central Crawford County around Cedarville. Those showers and storms will continue tracking towards the east and northeast. Back to radar to get another look at where this thing is and what's going on with it. The severe thunderstorm warning here in that yellow box, and it's mostly due to hail. It's kind of like what we just said, like right there near Natural Dam. We're probably going to get about quarter-size hail that falls out of this thing from Natural Dam up and down 59, moving out towards the east. So something to keep an eye on this morning, but you will hear some thunder in Crawford County. Another isolated severe storm or two is not out of the question. It's certainly going to be a possibility for us heading into the next day or so. Now, the as far as fronts go in the region, this is a look at what's happening here over the next 24 hours. As we look at noon today, you can see the front has made its way to the east. So by lunchtime, it's mostly ending. The front starts to stall in central and southeast Arkansas. We're clearing from the west to the east. And then by midnight tonight, the front's just hanging out, camping out around South Arkansas. The problem with that is it is going to continue to give us rain chances, although the higher chances of rain will be there in central Arkansas. And then skipping ahead towards the late tonight, most of us are going to be clear. And then moving into Thursday, now we run into some problems. So this is Thursday morning, guys. That warm front's lifting north. Thursday's rainy and Friday's rainy. See the front? Also notice the low, the triple points down here, which I think there's going to be some severe weather with this possibly on Friday. By Saturday, it moves out. These tight isobars mean temperatures are actually going to be falling quite a bit as we move into the weekend. Probably 50s and 60s, so cooler than what we've been seeing. The severe weather risk today, it's not particularly high. It's for central Arkansas, southeast Oklahoma. It's us, and we just saw it a second ago. And before we take a look at the models, let's look one more time at the radar. You can see those storms that are moving in west to east. One last look in case you guys are just now waking up in Cedarville wondering what's going on. These are tracking towards the east and will mostly be affecting central Crawford County, perhaps out towards Mountainburg, up and down I-49 as it moves in, and then eventually clears the area mid-morning. It's showing up to 2-inch hail on that. So that's some chunky hail that could be falling out there approaching the Hopper Tunnel in central Crawford County. So back to the weather maps here. What's headed next? Well, this is the front. Here's where we are now. What I wanted to do is step you through the afternoon to show you these storms in central Arkansas pretty much hang out in that region. They redevelop later today towards evening. That's going to be mostly in central Arkansas, But really what I wanted to get to is this. You can see the showers and storms developing here. This is Thursday morning. See what I mean? This is a washout. Thursday morning, rainy mid-morning, rainy afternoon, rainy into Friday. This is heading into the afternoon hours Thursday. So I think our best chance of picking up the widespread rainfall probably comes into play on Thursday and Friday of this week. But in the near term, again, we have that severe thunderstorm warning that's out there for central Crawford County. That's going to be in effect for another 20 minutes or so. Hail is the main threat with this. It doesn't look like we have much in the way of a tornado or wind risk on any of these storms, at least so far this morning, as it's lined up along the front. You can download the Oz Weather app. We'll be bringing you updates on there and posting updates as we head into severe weather season and we get more showers and storms that'll be moving in. In the meantime, I'm going to keep you updated as we head throughout the day, but I think we're in for some active weather heading into the next week or so, with some of the most active weather occurring around Thursday and Friday. Have a great Tuesday, guys.